thunderstorm watch.
Really?
The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 18, effective until 4 a.m. Friday. This watch includes the following counties in Indiana: Adams, Allen, Blackford, DeKalb, Jay and Wells, and the following counties in Ohio: Defiance, Paulding, and Van Wert. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging wind, and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.